So there is a competition between this section A and section B. Clear? Now I will have to see who will win and who will lose. Clear? Ready? Okay. So section A. I say Hindi sentence and you have to speak English sentence. तुम्हारा देखना हो गया या नहीं? Your performance are doing bad. Are going bad. Hello. तुम्हारा देखना हो गया नहीं? Are you done? Are you done seeing or not? Okay. So this is the section B. Now tell me. तुम्हारा लिखना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done writing or not? तुम्हारा बोलना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done speaking or not? तुम्हारा हंसना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done laughing or not? तुम्हारा मुस्कुराना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done smiling or not? Clear? तुम्हारा पढ़ना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done reading or not? तुम्हारा कूदना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done jumping or not? Clear? तुम्हारा पीसना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done grinding or not? Are you done grinding or not? Okay, next you tell. तुम्हारा टीवी देखना हो गया या नहीं? Are you done watching TV or not? Clear? तुम्हारा घूरना हो गया नहीं? Are you done staring or not? Clear? तुम्हारा मार्कर तुम्हारा बकवास करना हो गया नहीं? Are you done talking nonsense or not? Are you done talking nonsense or not? Clear? तुम्हारा समझाना हो गया नहीं? Are you done making understand? Are you done making understand or not? तुम्हारा समझना हो गया नहीं? Are you done understanding or not? Clear? Now tell me. तुम बोलते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep speaking only? तुम हंसते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep laughing only? तुम मुस्कुराते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep smiling only? Clear? तुम रोते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep crying only? तुम पढ़ते ही रहोगे क्या? You are doing bad. Now will you keep speaking what I say? मुस्कुराना, पढ़ना. Will you keep reading only? Clear? Now you tell me. तुम देखते रहोगे क्या? Will you keep seeing only or looking only? Clear? तुम मरते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep dying only? Will you keep dying only? तुम लिखते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep writing only? तुम लिखवाते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep dictating only? Will you keep dictating only? Clear? तुम कूदते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep jumping only? तुम खेलते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep playing only? तुम खाते ही रहोगे क्या? तुम याद ही करते रहोगे क्या? Will you keep learning only? तुम सुनाते ही रहोगे क्या? Will you keep listening only? तुम बहाना ही बनाते रहोगे क्या? Will you keep making excuse only? Will you keep making excuse only? Okay, last sentence. Clear? तुम पत्र लिखते ही रहोगे क्या? And your last sentence. तुम किताब पढ़ते ही रहोगे क्या? विल यू कीप स्टडिंग द बुक ओनली? क्लियर?